A stubborn toilet clog with water at the rim needs a calm, methodical approach to avoid overflow and clear the blockage yourself. Start by removing excess water carefully with a small bucket or cup, pouring into a nearby sink or floor drain to lower the bowl level so you can work without splashing. Choose a flange plunger if you have one because its extended rubber tip fits the toilet drain better. If not, a cup plunger will do. Position the plunger at a slight angle first to let trapped air escape, then set it flat to form a strong seal around the drain opening. That released air prevents an immediate splash when you begin. Pump the plunger up and down steadily, using about 10 firm strokes per round, keeping your motions vertical and maintaining the seal between strokes to build pressure rather than letting water escape sideways. After a round, pull the plunger straight up to break the seal and check if water drains. If not, repeat in additional rounds, increasing force gradually but never jerking or rocking the plunger, which can break the seal. If the clog seems to be only toilet paper, persist with multiple rounds because paper often responds to repeated pressure. If you suspect a foreign object, do not force it further down. Instead, use a toilet auger to reach and retrieve or break up the obstruction by feeding the auger cable slowly until you feel resistance, then rotate the handle to engage the clog and pull back. Common mistakes include using too much force and breaking the plunger seal, which just splashes water and wastes effort, so stop and reseat the plunger at an angle and rebuild the seal before resuming. Another issue is overfilling the bowl while trying to plunge, which risks overflow. So always bail out excess water first and plunge in controlled rounds. A third problem is assuming a single hard plunge will solve everything. Clogs often require persistence, so repeat pumping sequences, switch to a flange plunger if available, or use a toilet auger for deeper blockages, and stop if you suspect a non-paper object to avoid pushing it farther. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors and compare options related to plumbing and toilet repair, and we make it easy for contractors to find project leads and respond to local needs. We also host a discussion community where homeowners and tradespeople share real-world tips, troubleshooting steps, and recommendations.